Okay, so welcome to today's podcast of the Ilocano part. That
Nice.
is, welcome to the Ilocano episode. We will start with the pronouns. I or me is siak.
I or me is siyak.
Okay, and you is sika.
You is sika.
Is it Sika? Is it Siak? Are you the one that I'm waiting for? Could you be the one I
For
need? Ala ka. He or she or it is Isuna.
he or she or it is isuna.
We is Tatao.
We is tatao.
Tatao are the champions, my friend.
Tatao.
we, we exclusive is the kami.
We exclusive is the kami. Sounds
The
Japanese.
kami, the champions, my friend.
The kami.
You plural is the kayo.
You plural is the kayo.
The kayo kay mga buratan.
What's this?
they, they or them is Isuda.
They or them is isuda.
Ingon daw
Isuda.
ng Isuzu kay para sa mga Isuda.
Oh, wow.
Grabe kalisod ning mga Isuda. Isuda kay grabe ka nanimaho sa ilang pagka-diet. Yawa ka, Misty. Possessive pronouns. Mine is kanyak.
Mine is kanyak.
Kanyak ni. Ginaingon talagi sa inyo na kanyak ni nako. Ano? Nakani kay kanyak.
I didn't know there were so many pronouns. Possessive, personal, demonstrative.
Yeah,
Oh.
I'm very surprised every day, and I'm thankful for the love and compassion that my boyfriends are giving me.
Right.
See, your singular is Kensika.
Yours singular is kensika.
For Kensika is the gift, the crown of the gods.
I
Bakit
just love that.
kiniiyak? It's so funny. His or hers is Kenkwana.
Ooh. His or hers is kenkwana.
Ay lay 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 kay loay. Kenkwana la kanila kulo kay. Let's surf till the sunset beyond our horizon. Kenkwane kensika kanyak laka. Ours is Kentatao.
Ours is kentatao.
Mag
Our song kentatao is the screen doors.
nice.
Oh, wait. Kentatao song is the slamming screen doors. Hey,
Do you want to try a third time?
sleeping out late, tapping on your window.
Slimming out late. Nice.
When we're on the phone and we talk real slow. I can't stop.
Okay. So, Kentatao. Wow, what a word. Magtuo ba ka bala na pwede ta makaingon og Kentatao kung nay mo ingon na natay hiligay nun sa aton? Ours exclusive is Kentakami.
Ours exclusive is Kentagani.
Yawa ka.
Oh, okay. Kendakami.
Yours plural is Kendakayo.
Yours plural is Kendakayo.
But this love is
Sounds so Japanese.
Tendakayo.
Uh,
Theirs is Kendagiti.
theirs is Kendakiti.
Kendagiti kay grabe ka initun.
What?
This is Daitoy.
This is Daitoy.
Girl.
Daitoy is my life.
This is my hope, for Lord Jesus is the promise of tomorrow.
Yeah.
Daitoy is the life, Daitoy is the world. For God, you are so beautiful.
To me, can't you see?
Daitoy. Girl, this Zoom is very Daitoy.
Daitoy, what is that?
Daitoy.
It's very this.
Nawindang na ako, are. That near listener is Daita.
That near listener. Daita.
Daita kay murag hinog na kayo ni. Mutuo ka? That far is Dai Di Ai. Dai Di Ai? Agoy Dai Di Ai.
That far is Dai Di Ai.
Dai Di Ai. Oh, wow.
Dai.
Dai Di Ai, Dai Di Ai, Dai Di Ai, Dai Di Ai. These is Dagitoy.
This is Dagitoy.
Dagitoy kay grabe gyud ka busok. Grabe gapanambok ning imong mga gidagitoy dani.
What? Who you calling tambok?
Marvin, he's so fat. Are you promoting body positivity?
Don't say that. How will you say that?
No, he's not that fat. He's very teleserye weight.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Did you know who won in PBB?
By face. What's the name?
By face. Esnir?
No,
Ate Klang?
it's a girl. No, she got eliminated.
Shuvi?
Shubi. Why don't you just Google it?
I don't know. They don't say the winner. They have this new thing where they announce everyone else. Anyway, those are Dagiti.
Those are Dagiti.
Girl, do you see? Dagiti. Mama, Dagiti.
Mama.
Papi,
Mama.
Dagiti papi. All right. And next are the verbs. Mama verbs. Verbs.
Oh yeah, I love this.
Yo, verbs, yo. Verbs. Verbs. Agkanta to sing.
Agkanta to sing.
Agsaw to speak.
Agsaw to speak.
Makaagsaw ka day Ilocano man ka nagsabagad.
Vietnamese.
Kung ban. Did you study it?
Ako naman, then you repeat after me.
Sige, 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 sige.
Okay. Agluto, to cook.
Agluto, to cook.
Agsurat, to write.
Agsurat, to write.
Agbasa, to read.
Agbasa, to read.
Agala, to get or take.
Agala, to get or take.
Agtrabaho, to work.
Agtrabaho. Okay. To work.
Agdigos, to bathe.
Agdigos, to bathe.
Agdigos ka na. Agtulog, to sleep.
Agtulog, to sleep. What the fuck?
Agkasta, to
What the fuck?
whisper.
Hey, what the fuck? Hey. Ano? Agkasla? Agkasta?
Agkasta,
Agkasta, to whisper.
agbaybay, to pray.
Agbaybay, to pray.
Agamat, to believe.
Agamat, to believe.
Yes. Agawat, to catch.
Agawat, to catch.
Agsanay, to train.
Agsanay, to train.
Agi, to cry.
Agi, to cry.
Agkatawa, to laugh.
Agkatawa, to laugh.
Agnina, to buy.
Agnina, to buy.
Agtinunos,
Mali!
to agree.
Agnina! Ano ka ba? Papasabihan mo ako ng Nina sa kung sino man.
Agnina.
Oo,
Agnina.
sabi mo Nina. Ibabalik
Sorry na,
namin si
Nina.
Nina sa ASAP stage. Ladies and gentlemen.
Someone's gonna love me. Di ba siya yun?
Oo. Akala ko si City. Sino ba yun? Ang revive sa kanyang revival.
Revive. Anyway, agtinuos. Agtinunos, to agree.
Agtinunos, to agree.
Agpintas, to beautify. Wow, beautify.
Agpintas, to beautify.
Oh, wow. Agtayab, to fly.
Agtayab, to fly.
Agtaray, to run.
Agtaray, to run.
Aglakad, to walk.
Aglakad, to walk.
Aguy-guyod. Aguy-guyod, to pull.
Agoy-guyod, to pull.
Agpatugot, to allow.
Agpatugot, allow.
Agsilaw, to light up.
Agsilaw, to light up.
Agsuratman, to type or write again.
Agsuratman, to type or write again.
Agmula, to plant.
Agmulat, mali. Agmula, to plant.
Nagdugtong lang siya when I said to. Agmulat,
Sino
to
yung
plant.
nagdugtong?
Agmula, pause, to plant.
Sino ba kayo dyan? Sabihin mo.
Agpasensya, to be patient.
Agpasensya, to be patient.
Agtimpuyog, to cooperate.
Agtimpuyog, to cooperate.
Agargaraw, to move. Wow.
Agargaraw, to move. Kagada sa gada bugudot, bagada, kagada. O sa bagada, kagada makakangigong gagulon, hindi pagada, tagada, tututog. Makagad,
Ugudon sa gada.
kagada, dugudo.
Ugudon sa gada, magadan. Mag igidi mogodong, ginigi daganda, igidi mogodon.
Tangina mo.
Sabi ko
Okay,
sa
okay.
imong ginaingon.
Okay, okay. Dito na muna tayo. Maraming salamat.